Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss on how to write a program that will count the length of a string using pointers in C without any use of built-in library that like strlen in C language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharp includes tdio.h for input output, and then I wrote a function here, string length, const_char pointer str for string, int length we started with 0 in C. In this line of code, initialize a pointer from the beginning of the string. Using while loop statement, we have here pointer ptr not equal iterates, it will continue the loop until the null character is encountered. Null mean enter. Increment here, move the pointer to the next character here, return the length, and then we close our function string length. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin const_char pointer str cobol, the string is cobol which has a 5 character, and then length calling the function string length str. And then here, new line here, line number 20, length of the string using pointers in C, the title of our program. Line 21, we will display the given string, that is the cobol, and then the result, the length of the string, percentage decimal, return 0, return to our operating system, and then right curly bracket to close the main body of our program. Okay, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us build and run. Okay, so the string is cobol, length of a string using pointers in C. The length of the string is 5. Another example, let's say we will change it to computers space technology. Now here, the white space in between is also counted as one character. So let us save, build and run. So we have here length of a string using pointers in C, given string computers space technology, the length of the string is 20. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on count the length of a string using a function in pointers in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Kindly see the video description. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.